Hey guys, my name is Mahan. I'm going to study about the nose. I want to look closer and observe how the nose is constructed. It helps you draw better when you know what happened or this part of face or skull includes of how many parts and how they connected to each other actually. Let's start with front view. Draw a vertical line. At top, we have this shape called keystone. This is where the nose begins and it's part between two eyebrows. Try to find this part first. And at the down, we have these shapes. Lower cartilage in center and wings in sides. Lower cartilage, commonly known as ball of the nose. Ball is made of two symmetrical muscles. And common mistake is to draw a hole for the wings. What you should be focusing on is shapes and volumes around the nostril. Understanding these forms will help you to get a better result. This part is bone of the nose. Front part is nasal bone. Well, here we have upper lateral cartilage, combination of nasal bone, maxilla, and upper cartilage are known as bridge of the nose. And at the end, side plane is maxilla. It's also bone of the nose. Let me show you its volume by very simple way of shading. I just choose almost dark tone for the base. Fill it with pretty large and also simple brush. Erase extra part. Add another layer above that for bright part. Create the illusion of roundness or three-dimensionality on a flat surface just with this simple brightness. Control pressure of your hand and decrease or increase lightness by this way. You don't need to choose different tonalities of the palette. Well, I will draw it again with black color, refine shapes, and review all the important things that I've said until now. As you see, there is two symmetrical muscles here, which they move from the center to the upper part and also outside. Well, commonly known as ball of the nose. Wings inside of the nose, two similar shape around nostril, or in simple word, it can be said the volume around the holes of the nose. But be careful, it has thickness. And as you see, it connected to the face from these two parts. It's not like a tube, okay? Then we have bridge of the nose. If you touch your nose, you can understand it better. You feel it and you can see these parts are the distance between bones of the nose and palm. And last, bones of the nose, which the middle parts called nasal bone and side planes, they are also bones of the nose and known as maxilla. Well, at the end, keystone, which placed at the top between two eyebrows. Let's draw it from side view. I choose sketch color again. Let me organize layers in new group. Add new layer. Well, I zoom out and draw general shape. I start with ball and wings. Then bridge of the nose over them. And at the top we had keystone. And these big bones, which includes of two parts, small one was nasal bone and big one called maxilla. It doesn't matter what they call. I mean, you don't need to remember their names. Just it's important that you understand their shapes and constructure and also connection. You have a real reference on your face, so touch it, feel it, and recognize which part is soft and which part is firm. Just shade it easily with base color. For the lightness, you can erase where we want to see erased area. I think it's enough, and we study all the component of nose. Now let's simplify main forms and exaggerate a bit on them. I draw it again. I draw it with curves, and as you see, I split them to main shapes. Let's refine our forms to represent better. Create the illusion of roundness with very simple shading. I emphasize on the volume of ball and also the convexity of bridge of the nose. Now I want to draw it by break down the surfaces. Drawing again and again results you thinking the process better and dominant on it. It will also helps your power of imagination and visualization get stronger. Let's drawing it from down. In middle we have ball or lower lateral cartilage. These two muscles are the biggest parts that you see from down. And inside we have wings, shapes around the nostril. So as you see, they make triangle shape. Well, adjust the tonnage to match it. In this video, we studied about how the nose is constructed, and in next part, I wanna show you how simplify these forms, also different way to drawing the nose easily. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for your time. I hope you like it and subscribe my channel.